Good morning, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to register a Managed FortiGate Service entitlement to your FortiCloud account and how to link it to an existing FortiGate asset. First, open your service registration document. On the second page, locate the contract registration code. Copy the contract registration code, then go to FortiCloud under Dashboard. Click on the Register Now button, then paste the contract registration code. Select the end-user type. On the next page, link the entitlement to an existing FortiGate asset, so in this case, a FortiGate VM subscription. Here, review the entitlement summary, and at the very end, the newly registered Managed FortiGate Service entitlement appears with its start and end date. Select the checkbox to accept registration terms, and then confirm to validate. Registration is now completed. You have performed step 1 out of 2 of the onboarding process. To onboard the device to the Managed FortiGate Service, connect to the Managed FortiGate Service portal and submit an onboarding request. Thanks for watching.